everyone! Today we're going to draw one of the tallest and cutest animals in the world, a giraffe. So grab your pencil and colors, and let's start drawing. Glitty Art! English! First, I draw the face shape. It looks like an egg turned sideways. Next, I draw the body shape. The giraffe has a round body because it's a big animal. Now I draw 2 ossicones on top of the head. I also draw 2 ears. Then I draw 2 eyes and a cute round nose on the face. After that, I draw some big and small patterns on the body. Now I draw 4 long legs. Giraffes are the tallest land animals in the world. Their legs alone are taller than most people. Next, I draw a thin tail with a small puff at the end. Now it's coloring time. First, I color the eyes and nose glittery black. Then, I color the eye lenses glittery gray. After that, I color the whole body glittery yellow. A giraffe's skin has special patterns that help keep it cool in hot weather, just like natural air conditioning. Then, I color the antennae, under the ears, mouth area, and all the body patterns glittery dark brown. These are spots. Every giraffe has different spots, like fingerprints. And we're done! Look at our giraffe. So shiny and adorable. Don't forget to try it yourself and share it with your friends. See you next time. Bye-bye!